Hi JC and Glenn, congratulations on your wedding. Alam ko na si Lord na ang center ng buhay ninyo. Just continue to trust Him and soon your family. At syempre, love each other, take care of each other. Glenn anak, submit yourself to JC. And JC anak, take care of Glenn. How I wish nandyan kami to witness your wedding, your unity. Anyway, looking forward kami sa wedding ninyo dito sa Pinas. You were such a lovely couple. I would like to welcome you, Glenn, sa aming pamilya, in our family. At syempre, madadagdagan na naman ng maganda ang pamilya namin. Best wishes sa inyong dalawa, and God bless us all. Bye! Congratulations again!